YouTube, this is the Velvet Locks with another DIY video, and today we are going to be making nice ornament Christmas wreath. Alright, very easy, very simple, and yes, it's going to be so gorgeous. It's going to go on the outside of your front door. It's so easy to make, and I'm going to show you all the things that you're going to need to achieve this look. Being that I'm making a ornament, I've got the styrofoam wreath. Okay, the bigger the better. Okay, this is a 16-inch styrofoam wreath, and you're gonna also need some glue sticks, your glue gun, and different size ornaments, glass ornaments. Now I got some really big ones in the red. I got some really big ones in multicolors of silver. Okay, glittery silver, white glitter. And I also got some small ones and extra small ones in various different colors. Okay, I got all of these. Now these I got at the Dollar Tree. I mean, Dollar Tree is your best friend this time of the year. You can get so many nice things in there and so many things to be creative with. Pick these up at Michael's. I'm not exactly sure. It says $3.99, but I got them at 50% off, so they were like $1 and change. So we're gonna wait for our hot glue to finish heating up, and we're gonna get started. Now, the first thing we're gonna do in preparing for this beautiful look is we're gonna get our ornaments out that we're gonna use to start it off. What you're gonna do with your ornaments is you're gonna take off the little tippy thing that comes with it. So we're gonna get rid of all of those, and what I'm gonna try to do is just make a nice little selection of colors. Okay, we're gonna throw some red in there. Festive colors, and you can choose any color you desire. Okay, so now we have all of them out. Now what I want to do is try to arrange them going around on the inner side first. Okay, now we took off the little tippy thing, and you just carefully make a hole inside your styrofoam with that. But then afterwards, we're going to go into this with our glue gun to secure it. Now I smell the glue gun, so it should be ready. Okay, and we're just going to put some glue around the tip part of our ornament, and then stick it back into that little hole. Hold it, and there you go. Okay. And we're going to keep doing that, going around. We're going to create a little style. Okay, so simple. Put a little glue going around that. Stick it in there. Hold it down for a little bit. And it's in. Okay? And you just keep doing that, going around the inside, and then we'll come right back with how it's supposed to look. Okay, YouTube, so I'm back, and I finished the inside part of the ornament. And now I'm going to start doing the outer part, and I'll be back with that look. I am back, and this is the result of what I did so far. Alright, and I started my ornaments on the inside. You can start with any size. I started with the jumbo, and then I continued with the jumbo outside. I ran out of red, so I had to try to improvise as much as possible. But I'm going to make it up when I start filling in the areas now. Okay, so I'm just going to continue hot gluing these, going in on the top. Try not to push down too much, because then you will crack your ornament. And you just continue doing that, going around. Okay, by popping them in and filling them in on the outside. Okay, so I'm going to hot glue these top ones down and come back with what it looks like. YouTube, so we're going to continue. Now this is where I am right now with my wreath. I ran out of my medium bowls and I ran out of my jumbo bowls. So I'm going to try to figure out how I'm going to fill all of these in with my small bowls. I may have to run out and buy some more medium-sized bowls just so that it kind of blend in nicely. But yes, that's my dilemma. I need to get some more bigger bowls to fill this in. So we will be right back. So I'm back and I went out and bought some more red bulbs. I needed more reds. So I'm going to finish up my inner part and then come back to show you exactly how it's going to look once I've inserted some of my red bulbs, okay? Alright, I'll be right back. So I am back and here is the finishing product of my Christmas ornament wreath. Okay, and it is so beautiful. It's big, it's nice. I mean, it is so pretty. And this is something that you could really take pride in because this is from your own handiwork. Okay, and there's no right and wrong way of actually making this. I mean, you can deck it out whichever way you choose. Okay, you could fill in the spaces. I'm gonna just put a little glue on this ornament and just pop it in right there. And you can do anything with this look. It is so pretty. So yes, you can create your very own ornament wreath and you can actually hang it on your door. Alright, so I'm going to show you the door so you can see how beautiful it's going to look once you're done. Alright, and thank you so much for joining me on this DIY video. And I hope all of your DIY projects come out even better than this. Alright, so thank you again and I will see you in the next video. Okay YouTube, so here's the wreath. A really nice Christmas wreath that you can make for your own door. As you see on the bottom, I've put a little bell down there and you can pretty much deck it out to however you choose to. I chose to make mine gold, silver, red. Okay, and you can do the same as well. It takes a lot of patience, but you can create this wonderful style for yourself. And I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for joining me, and I see you in the next video. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also, hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.